Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to find the Swift code of the public bank Berhad. For that, first of all you need to come here on pbebank.com, which is the official website of the public bank. Over here you will find the option of contact here on the top. When you click on this contact us option, you will find all of the contact numbers. So you just have to try to contact to the public bank customer support team and you will find your Swift code with the help of them. You can also just use these emails and you can write them an email to get your Swift code by providing your city and your region. The second method that you can do is you can just simply come here on bank.codes. So over here, first of all, select your country, which in our case is Malaysia. Then select your bank, which in our case is the public bank Berhad. After that, select your city and it is going to show you the Swift code as per the details that you have entered over here. So this way you will get your Swift code of the public bank Berhad. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.